Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, you're going to learn how to improve yourself, climb the corporate ladder, and fast-track promotions down the road for yourself by becoming a dependable, reliable, and efficient employee at your workplace and provide maximum value, all through the use of business cases. Let's talk about it. How do you solve a problem at work? The simple answer is with a business case. And it could be anything from technology, where you're trying to replace something because it's outdated or not performing well or creating a bottleneck. It could be people-related, where you need more staff because of the workload, or the staff that you do have needs certain certifications and training that requires a budget. It could even be process-related, where you need a new process in place because the current one is outdated, or you're optimizing the current one to better suit the needs of the organization. In short, if you want to solve a problem, then you should have a business case. And not only that, but it better be a good one, because you want people, essentially, management, upper management, to support and sponsor what you are proposing. With that being said, the business case does have to align with the organizational objectives and goals. A business case includes a problem statement, which is your initiative or the business problem that you're trying to solve. What is the initiative that you're trying to pursue? You have to explain your current state of affairs. What is the current state before you apply anything in detail? What is your desired or future state? So it's sort of a before and after, right? It's almost like a gap analysis. Like, we're here, we want to go from point A to point B, and the desired result is whatever that point B is. And for that, you have to have success criteria to able to clearly measure progress and delivery at the end of the project or the initiative. Your game plan or your approach to the project is key. You want to make sure that you do your homework on all elements, especially this one, to be able to make sure that if down the road you get audited, you've dotted your T's and crossed your I's. It's the other way around. You've dotted your I's and crossed your T's. Essentially, what I'm trying to get at is make your approach smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You want to be able to prove why you picked a certain vendor over the other and how you assess them with a systematic approach, and ideally with a third-party review that is objective. If you had 100 employees, why did you hire the employee that you did, or the group of employees instead of the others? If you picked a certain training, the same applies. So you want to make sure that your approach to the project is systematic and objective and auditable anytime down the road. Ensuring your prerequisites and requirements are clearly stated is very important in the business case because it could impact the actual implementation. This could be something like a technology review or a network design review if it's something you're installing or changing or addressing. Or it could be a business process change that could impact the organization and its clients because you are introducing something new. And same relates to training and certifications or any business case for that matter. You do want to make sure that you address any requirements related to compliance for FISMA, HIPAA if you're in the healthcare, PCI DSS, and the list goes on and on really. And sometimes, as long as it's ethical and done objectively, you can actually use it to boost your business case by stating clearly that the compliance requires training for staff or a certain solution, not a brand, but a certain type of solution, or it could be a certain type of process improvement. So it can really help boost the bottom line and your case's weight overall for the management. Finally, the detailed plan with the timeline is pretty obvious. You have to have a clear plan with a timeline, a Gantt chart, possibly even project management style. Go through the whole process and create your business case. Okay, so how does this help you specifically get a higher salary, get promotions, and climb the corporate ladder? Well, think about it this way. If you become an employee in the company, in your organization, that is known or becomes known for being systematic, methodical, does your homework, proposes great ideas that also help the bottom line and improving the workplace or the technology or the process, whatever it is. Not only that, but they're in alignment with the business objectives of the organization. That is the ideal employee. I mean, that's a great employee. They do their job, and at the same time, they're helping improve the workplace, especially if you start having a track record of proven projects or business cases that you succeeded at and you were able to get, and you met the success criteria. You will pretty soon become what they call the golden boy. No surprise there. It could be a training for yourself. It could be something to improve your team, a process for your department. If you lead a department, it could be something for the organization. It could be anything really. So you definitely want to incorporate business cases at a small or large level at your organization. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.